The incredible success stories of Paytm, M-Pesa, and Samsung Pay are sincerely inspirational. As per reports, Paytm currently has over 150 million monthly active users, with over 1.2 billion processed payment transactions. If we look at the worldwide scenario of the e-wallet industry, WeChat has more than 600 million worldwide users, followed by Alipay with over 400 million users on the board. As there are approximately 48.53% smartphone users worldwide, the demand for digital wallet app development is on hype. Statista reports that by the end of the year 2024, the total transaction value in the mobile wallet industry will be worth $6,685, 102 million, with an annual growth rate of 12%. Choosing the features that need to be integrated with the eWallet application depends on the type of application you want to develop. Each application has its limitations and benefits. So, if you are struggling with which application is best for you, here is a quick read to help you out. There are three main types of eWallet mobile applications: open eWallets, closed eWallets, and semi-closed eWallets. Each type offers unique features and functionalities, catering to different user needs and business models. Understanding these types can help you make an informed decision about which e-wallet application is best suited for your business. Open e-wallets are the most popular digital wallet applications in the market. These wallet applications are compatible with all types of networks and can be installed on any platform. Having an extensive scope for all types of payments, these applications offer easy payment options. Open e-wallets are ideal for businesses looking to provide a versatile and widely accepted payment solution. They support a wide range of transactions, making them a convenient choice for users who prefer cashless payments. Closed e-wallets have inbuilt payment features and do not support universal transactions. These types of wallet applications have been in the market for a long time, and they share cashback, loyalty points, and rewards only within the app wallet. One such example is the Zomato wallet, where all the cashback and rewards are added in the app wallet only. Closed e-wallets are suitable for businesses that want to create a closed-loop payment system, offering exclusive benefits to their users. A step ahead in closed e-wallets are semi-closed e-wallets. The cost of developing these types of wallets is similar to the cost of developing a wallet app like Google Pay or Paytm. These wallets are often used to make payments at stores. Semi-closed e-wallets provide a balance between open and closed e-wallets, offering more flexibility than closed e-wallets, while still maintaining some level of control over transactions. They are ideal for businesses that want to offer a broader range of payment options without fully opening up their payment system. The financial industry is undergoing a revolution, and all the credit goes to transformative technologies. People nowadays are very well aware of all the data breaches and threats, so they demand a secure and safe payment environment. By integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning, organizations can offer easy services such as improved customer services, real-time authorizations of transactions, complete Know Your Customer, KYC online, predicting borrower delinquency, and changing the ways of investment. By integrating artificial intelligence, organizations can leverage various benefits of technology through broad and large-scale applicability, ensuring a secure and efficient payment environment for users.